Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna and I do beauty video or makeup review, skincare, everything about beauty. So if you are interested to those topics, please consider subscribing to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a tutorial on how I did my eyebrow on a normal basis. Wala naman ako masyadong ginagamit sa eyebrow ko kasi naturally dark na siya. Plus, 5 years ago, I did a microblading sa Pretty Look. Why did I had that procedure considering that I have a natural, dark eyebrows? Kasi may mga areas na may spars, kagaya niyan. So, ito, putol na to. Tapos, dito, walang eyebrow hair. Ganon din sa I decided to have that microblading procedure but I don't really actually need that. Wala lang dahil uso nung mga panahon na yun 5 years ago, and actually this is my first session. So meron pa akong isang session sa Pretty Looks but hindi ko na siya binalikan dahil I don't like that very dark eyebrow. So okay na ako dito, and considering that this is already 5 years at yung microblading hindi naman talaga siya yung permanent na tattoo. Pero tumagal siya. Hanggang ngayon meron pa. Okay pa ako dito. And I'm not sure that if I can still avail that last session with Pretty Look. So, I guess after pandemic, I will check with them. But so far, I'm still okay with my eyebrows. Okay, so I actually have a lot of eyebrow products. Pero meron akong favorite na eyebrow combination na ipapakita ko sa inyo. But first, let me show you what I have in my collection for my eyebrows. So first, I have here the Teviant. This is in Queen Eyebrow Duo Powder. So, yung isa gray, the other one is gray and the other one is soft brown. Yan. Ang maganda pa dito, meron na siyang brush na angle brush and a spoon which you can use to comb your eyebrow hair. Yan. And Tevian also have this. This is the Precision Eyebrow Tint. But this one did not last me. Natuyo siya kaagad. I don't know if the product I got na medyo tuyo na siya, but I'm not sure. So, yes, I also use this. And, yeah, this is in the mid price level. And I also have here, medyo affordable. So, this one is from Max Factor. Yan. And, natanggal na yung, this is very old. So, natanggal na yung isa dito na dark brown. But this is another sample of the eyebrow products which you can use. This is on the affordable side. And I also have here like pens. Yeah, like this one. This is from iMagic. I only got this for free from Beauty Manila. And this one is from Perfect Diary. So maganda rin siya. So ito rin, ang maganda rin dito, may spoolie na. Okay, this one also has spoolie. Okay, but my favorite eyebrow product combination is actually this one from Anastasia. This is just a sample. I'm planning to get the full size of this one. But this is really precise. Ayan, malapit na siya maubos. Ayan, super skinny niya. Ayan, sobrang precise to. Gustong-gusto ko tong eyebrow products na to. And also, it comes with a spoolie. Let me comb my eyebrows. Kasi, para makita nyo kung gaano ka haba ng hair ng eyebrow ko. Ayan. So, ganyan siya kahaba. Hindi siya normal para sa eyebrow hair. Pero, mahaba yung eyebrow hair ko. So, kung maglalagay lang ako ng wax or pencil or powder, minsan, bumababa siya. Magiging ganyan siya throughout the day. So, kailangan ko ng mascara to keep it in place. Yan, to keep it in place. Yan siya. Para hindi bumaba yung eyebrow hair ko. Ayan o, kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang haba. Napaka-unusual for eyebrow hair. So, I will show you also actually, I have 3 eyebrow mascara which I can recommend to you. So, I will start with the affordable one. So, this is from Paladio. This is around 200 pesos, I think. So, this is very affordable. And on the mid price, this is from Tevian. So, ito yun. It comes with this powder. This is also nice. It keeps my eyebrow hair in place. But my favorite eyebrow mascara is the one from Anastasia. So, ito, proven na to. Matagal ko na tong ginagamit. So, these two, where is that? Yeah. So, these two combination, the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the Anastasia eyebrow mascara is my favorite combination for my eyebrow. If you are new into makeup at hindi nyo pa alam kung paano mag-shape ng eyebrow nyo, pwede kayong pumunta sa salon. Alam ko sa David Salon, nagte-threading sila. So, sila na yung mag-shape ng eyebrow para sa inyo. But I don't do that kasi I don't trust someone to do my eyebrow kasi may instances na nangyari once, pinutol niya yung eyebrow ko. Parang yung eyebrow ko hanggang dito na lang siya. So, ang pangit niyang tingnan. So, it took time to grow it back. Kaya, mula nun hindi na ako nagpapa-threading sa salon. Ako na lang yung nagtatanggal ng mga excess eyebrow hair. Since may shape naman siya from the microblading, so, ako na lang nagme-maintain ng eyebrow ko. Okay, so, I normally start here. Ayan. I will just follow the shape of my eyebrow. Hindi ko masyadong kinakapalan. So, very light-handed. Minsan hindi na ako nag-eyebrow pencil kung lumalabas ako. Mascara na lang kasi dark naman na yung aking eyebrow hair. But sometimes if I am very, alam mo yun, meticulous pagdating sa makeup, nag-eyebrow pencil ako. So I will just fill that in. So here I will draw a shape, yan, straight line, but very gently. Then I will do a stroke like hairs. Ayan. So, para natural pa rin siyang tingnan. Hindi siya yung parang pencil na drawing lang. Kasi your eyebrow is essential for your face kasi it shapes your face. So, kung isipin nyo kung sobrang kapal ng eyebrow nyo, hindi siya magandang tingnan, hindi siya natural tingnan. So, once I did that, yan, ibabrush ko lang siya. And that's it. That's my eyebrow. So, next I will put the eyebrow mascara. But first, I will do this side. Now I have the eyebrow pencil. I will go over with my eyebrow mascara so that my eyebrow hair will keep in place throughout the day. But if you are someone na hindi naman, alam mo yun, yung normal lang yung eyebrow hair nyo na hindi naman siya bumababa, you don't need this eyebrow mascara. But for me, this is essential dahil my eyebrow hair is very long and it doesn't stay in place. So I will just go over it. I make sure that I only coat my eyebrow hair. Kasi kapag didiinan ko siya, pupunta siya sa skin ko, magiging super dark yung aking eyebrow. So, hindi rin siya natural tingnan. Oops. And that's my eyebrow. I will do the other one. So, yung eyebrow natin, it doesn't have to be twins, identical. Kasi, hindi naman talaga pantay yung ating eyebrow or even our face shape. So, okay lang na maging sister sila. Not identical sister, but sister or cousin. Kasi kapag masyadong pantay na pantay, it will look fake. Alam mo yung pang Instagram na eyebrow. I hate that eyebrow. It's so not natural looking. Mas maganda pa rin yung natural looking brow. So, this is my eyebrow. Super natural. And it makes me look put together with my eyebrows on. So, kung merong nakakalat dito sa baba, pwede nyong tanggalin yan. Pwede nyong linisin with a concealer. So, what I normally do is, I will get a concealer. This is not a concealer. I will, ano ba to? Foundation. Foundation. I will get a little tiny bit of foundation and then I will go over under here to just clean the edge. I normally do this kapag may event ako. Gusto ko yung malinis na eyebrow. But on a daily basis, hindi ko na to ginagawa kasi I don't mind having makalat na eyebrow. Yan. So, here you go, guys. This is how I do my eyebrow. Okay, you guys, I hope you learned something from this short tutorial. If you want to request other tutorials, you can just comment down below. So, thank you for watching. I hope to see you again in my next video. Bye!